Okay. 1, 2, buckle my
2,
3, 4, close the
door.
5, 6, pick up
6,
sticks. 7, 8, lay them
tray.
straight. Very good. 9, 10, a big
Hand.
big fat hen. Very good. You did that good.
Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, very good. Cheese. Who else do you want to say hi to?
Hi to the wheat.
To read? How about Aidan?
Aidan.
Yeah? Do you want to sing him happy birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shall I do it with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aidan. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that was precious. Good job. You did that really good.
I don't see it.
Okay, just a minute, I'll show you.
Mm-hmm.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.